If you are following the path of righteousness, one thing is for sure, you will be challenged at each step. Standing within the powers is also part of spirituality. Taking the stand is also part of spirituality. They think you are spiritual, you will not retaliate and they can get away with it. No. Stand within your powers, and if you have to shout and scream at someone, do so, but making sure that shout and scream is not taking a form of violence and in you. Nothing against that person. It is about you. You are preserving yourself, and it is okay to say no. So, this person, one time, a snake comes to the saint. Snake says, Guruji, I'm very disturbed with my life. Why? What happened? You are very flexible. Your breath is always clear. A snake's breath is always clear. He doesn't have a cold. You know why he doesn't have a cold? Because he's always exercising his vertebra. You exercise your vertebra, you will never get anything like that. Guruji, my life is very disturbed. I don't like my life. What happened? Say, Guruji, I want to play. But whenever I go out, people get scared. So what do you want to do? See that village? In the evening, all children play, they laugh, they dance. I also want to play, Guruji. And here I'm hiding in this small holes and leaves and all. I want to play. I have my own life. Guruji says, then you go play. Say, Guruji, as soon as I go, the children run and people scream and people come to beat me up. Then don't play. No, Guruji, I want to go out and play. I don't know anything else. I want to go and play. Okay, Guruji says, okay. When you go, don't bite. Because whenever you say they come to you, you want to bite them. So they get scared. So now you go and don't bite. Yes, Guruji. Snake was very happy, children. And come back next evening. Blood from here and here and here. Limping. Guruji, I thought you were my friend. You really wanted me to be killed. What happened? You told me, don't bite and they will not beat me up. But they did. And I didn't bite anyone, they still attacked me. So Guruji said, what did you do? Say, when they came, I just kept myself down and they beat me. I said, you don't get Guru's message so easy, huh? I asked you not to bite. I didn't ask you not to scare if they're attacking you. So you can still hiss. You being spiritual, be like that snake. Don't bite. But someone is coming to attack you. Don't forget to show your guard. Psst. If you have to, take your stand. So they don't, if they think you are spiritual, you will not retaliate and they can get away with it. No, they will not. Understand? Stand within your powers. And if you have to shout and scream at someone, do so. But making sure that shout and scream is not taking a form of violence and in you. Just short scream, move away. Okay? Standing within the powers is also part of spirituality. Taking the stand is also part of spirituality. And if your own life is in danger, then it is okay to take a life. Live. The Krishna, when the Mahabharata was happening, he instigated Arjuna to go against his family because that was the righteousness, dharmas. And so many warriors and the gurus and the knowledge people were killed in the fight between dharma and adharma, right and wrong, righteousness and unrighteousness. So if you are following the path of righteousness, one thing is for sure, you will be challenged at each step. You will be. And sometime the enemy will be straight ahead of you. You want to go right, the enemy will say, no, you go through me. You turn left, no, you go through me. Like a river, the rock is there, the river will find from left or a right. But if the rock is right in the center, what is river going to do? It builds the momentum and pushes it away. So if your enemy is straight ahead and not letting you off the hook, then you build your momentum and push up. With love, unconditional love. Nothing against that person. It is about you. You are preserving yourself. And it is okay to say no. Being in gratitude for today, for this breath, for now, for the food, for this. Being gratitude is the cosmic energy, unconditional love energy. Thank you, thank you. Everything, thank you. Namaha, 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 namaha. And many people test your patience. There is a beautiful mantra that I shared with them. Oh, sit straight. Take a long deep breath. Think about people who are disturbing you. Make them stand left and right. And walk one step between them and say, look here, hands here. You're walking your enemies, distractors aside and just walk. Om. Don't look at them. Look at straight. Say, Om Ignoraye Namaha. Om Ignoraye Namaha. Om Ignoraye. You don't pay attention to them. You walk straight.